The Florida Department of Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles welcomes all customers to MyDMV portal, your online self-service portal. Available anytime, anywhere. Through your activated MyDMV portal account, you can renew or replace your driver license or ID card. After logging into MyDMV portal, if you are using a mobile device, you can access the menu by tapping the 3 lines on the top right side of the screen to display the menu options. From a computer, select Driver License from the top menu bar. Then you can select Renew ID Card or Replace ID Card. You can also select Renew Driver License or Replace Driver License. Alternatively, you can select Shop Here. Then select Renew Replace My License or Renew Replace My ID Card. Once you have selected an option, review your active military status and make a selection, if applicable. Review your current residential address on file. Review your mailing address to make sure that you receive your documents. If you are at a temporary address, you can enter a one-time shipping address during checkout. Then select Update Next. In the driver license or ID card panels, select an eligible service to complete. Depending on your selection, an information or warning pop-up will appear. Select Yes to continue. Read and answer all of the questions, or the next button will not work. When you are finished, select Next. Review the confirmation screen to make sure that all of the information is correct. You may be issued a new driver license number. Make sure to update your records. Use the back or edit address buttons to return to previous screens. If all information is correct, select Add to Cart. Review your transaction details on the shopping cart preview screen. Select the Checkout button when you are ready to continue the checkout process. Make sure that this is your address. If you need to update your residential or mailing address, select Edit Address. If you would like to send your items to a different address than the one on file, select the Change link to enter a one-time shipping address. You should receive your credential in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Then, select Next to finish processing your request.